Hello, class 11th student. Today I am going to start chapter 6 again, and topic is price elasticity of demand. This is part 2. In this video we are going to discuss how to attempt numerical question regarding price elasticity of demand. The theory of part of this chapter already we had completed in the first video. Okay, so in this video there is only some questions how you are going to solve it. Okay, now uh, 1 year back when this microeconomics was taught in class 12th, there are three methods: percentage method, expenditure method, and point elasticity method. But now there is only one method in your course to calculate price elasticity of demand, that is percentage method. It is also known as a proportionate or ratio method. So what is this? According to this method, uh, price elasticity of demand measured by the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded of a commodity to the percentage change in price. Okay, so in equation you can find, write it: price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Here x is what? X is the commodity. Okay, now we can write this equation also: P upon Q multiply del Q upon del P. Okay, so when the data is given in ratio or percentage, then we use this equation. If absolute values are given, then we use this equation. Okay, now how we are going to find out del Q? So this is the equation: del Q is equal to Q1 minus Q new quantity, okay, and Q initial quantity, starting quantity. P1 minus P, so P1 is a new price and P is old or initial price. Okay student, so whenever you are going to attempt the question, you have to keep in your mind this equation when the data is given in percentage. If absolute value is given, ki price is this, quantity is this, now price fall, the quantity become this, so we use this equation. For the del Q we use this equation, for the del P we use this equation. Okay, so first question is, if price of a commodity rise by 40%, accordingly its demand falls by 80%, what will be price elasticity of demand? Okay, so what is given? Price rise by 40%, yani percentage change in price is equal to, chunki rise, here is the rise for increase we use plus sign, and for decrease we use minus sign. Okay, so it will be percentage change will be plus 40%. Okay, now further is given, accordingly its demand falls by 80%. Okay, so percentage change in quantity demanded is what? Fall. To fall for we will put minus sign, so minus 80%. Now what is the equation for getting the price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of X upon percentage change in price of X. Okay, now what is percentage change in quantity demanded? It is 80% minus 80% upon percentage change in prices plus 40%, so it will be 40%. Now we are going to divide, so 40 to the 80, so in this way plus minus minus, so in this way the value of price elasticity of demand will be minus 2. Okay, if we want to write in absolute numbers, so we are going to put this value in mode. So when you write anything in mode, so plus minus is ignored, so it become 2. So ultimately what is price elasticity of demand? Greater than 1. Greater than 1. Okay, so in this way you are going to solve the question if percentage change in price and percentage change in quantity is given. Okay, now here is the solution. Okay, already I had explained how it is done. Now next question, a consumer buy 10 units of a commodity rupees 5 per unit. He buy 12 units when price fall to 4 unit. Calculate price elasticity of demand. So how we are going to do this question? So he buy how much unit? 10 units. So here we will write Q is equal to 10 units. Okay, what is the price? Price is equal to 5 rupee per unit. Now price falls to rupees 4, yani P1 is 4 rupee per unit, and quantity, when price is 4 rupee, how much he is purchasing? 12 units. So Q1 is equal to 12 units. Okay student, now we have to calculate price elasticity when this much data is given. Okay, so what will be the equation that we are going to use? Here percentage is not given, so we will use this equation, P multiply Q multiply del Q upon del P. Okay, so now we are going to write P, the price is what? 5, Q is 10, multiply del Q, so we have to find out del Q. Del Q is equal to Q1 minus Q. Q1 is 100, Q1 is 12 and Q is 10, yani it will be 2. Okay, so this is the value of Q. Now we are going to calculate del P. So it will be P1 minus P, yani present price minus previous price. So present price, initial price is 5, present price is 4 and previous price is 5. So it will be minus 1. So this will be the value of P. Now we are going to put here. So del Q is plus 2 and del P is minus 1. Now 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, so in this way what will be the value of price elasticity? It will be, wait, it will be price elasticity of demand will be minus 1. If we will write in mode, we get absolute value. Okay, so it become 1. It is equal to 1, yani unitary elasticity. Which type of elasticity we find here? Unitary. Okay, so here you can see, okay, the same done here. Now suppose now you have to calculate anything like price or quantity. Elasticity is given and the elasticity is given and its value is given in minus, so we are not going to ignore the minus in the equation. Okay, so let us do this question. A consumer buy 80 unit of a good at a price of 4 rupee per unit. Due to the fall in its price, he buy 100 unit of a good. If ED is 1, so what is new price? Okay, so we have to find out P1. So question is, sorry, okay, question is what? And he buy 100 units, wait, okay, he buy 80 units when price is 4. Okay, he buy 80 unit, yani Q is 80, P is 4. further it is written, due to the fall in the price he buy 100 units. Now Q1 is 100 and ED, price elasticity of demand, is -1. What we have to find out here? New price, yani P1 we have to find out. Now, so here we are going to write the equation. Price elasticity of demand is equal to P upon Q multiply del Q upon del P. Okay, now del Q we can find out. Del Q will be 100 minus 80, yani 20. Okay, how we had done? Q1 minus Q. Okay, so we are going to put here the value. P is 4, Q is what? Q is 80 multiply, okay, wait. Now price elasticity is given na -1. So first of all we write -1 equal P is 4, Q is 80 multiply del Q. Del Q is 20 and del P we don't know. Okay, now 4, 20, 4 ja 80 and 4 1 ja 4. Okay student, now it will be -1 equal to 1 upon 1 multiply 1 multiply del P. Okay, so this much we get. Okay, so it become -1 equal 1 upon del P. Now it will be del P multiply -1 equal to 1, yani del P is equal to 1 upon -1. So it will be del P is equal to -1. Okay, so this is the value of del P, and what we have to find? We have to find new price, yani we are going to search P1. So let me understand it. Equation is del P is equal to P1 minus P. Del P is -1, P1 we don't know, P is 4. So we will transfer here, so it will be 1 minus 1, it become +4 is equal to P1. So plus minus, so it become 3. So P1 is 3. That is your answer. Okay student, so here it is given. Okay, new price is what? New price is 3. Now if suppose elasticity, the value of elasticity is given in positive number, absolute number, still we are going to put the minus sign. Okay, so you have to keep in the mind. Here is given one question. A consumer buy 100 units at ₹5, yani Q is equal to 100, P price is 5. Now price elasticity is given in plus, but actually it is going to be in minus. Okay, we are going to put minus value when we are going to use it. Okay, price elasticity of demand is equal to 2. At what price the consumer will buy 140, yani Q1 is given. Q1 is what? 140 units. What we have to find out? We have to find out new price, yani P1. Let me start it. So equation that we are going to use, P, price elasticity of demand, is equal to P multiply Q, sorry, P upon Q multiply del Q upon del P. Okay, this is the equation. Now we are going to put the value. It is given in plus, but you know now when we write in more, then it becomes in plus. Otherwise, price elasticity, its value is always going to be in minus, in negative number. Okay. So we are going to put here the value -2. So this you have to keep in mind. Plus is give, if price elasticity in given in a positive number, still you are going to write in negative way, or if it is given in negative value, so you are going to write it as it is. So you have to keep in mind this thing. Okay. Now equal to, wait, okay, okay, -2, p price is 4, so 5, q is 100, multiply del q we are going to find out it. So del q will be q1 minus q1 140, q 100, so it will be 40. So this is the value of q1. Okay, now we are going to write here. So it become 40, okay, upon del p we can't find out. Okay, so now 0 0 cancel, 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, now what we get -2 is equal to 1 multiply 2 upon 1 multiply del p. Now we can write it, 2 is equal to 2 upon del p. Now del p multiply -2 is equal to 2. In this way del p become equal to 2 upon -2. So 2 1 are 2. So what will be the value of del p? It will be -1. Okay. Now we have to find out what? New price, that we have to find out. So we are going to use the equation del p is equal to p1 minus p. Del p is -1, p1 we don't know, p its value is 5. Okay. Now so -1 when we transfer to it become +5 is equal to p1. When we subtract यानी कि 4, तो p1 is equal to 4. Okay. So here is given. Thank you for today.